Yeah? Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah. Oh, just don't hang up, don't hang up. I'm Nancy, and I'm, Sheri's assistant. And, just don't hang up. I'll be back in a minute. Okay. So, first of all, you may think, you know who I am, but maybe you don't, because I'm Guy's cousin. I got in the job with logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri. Anyway, so, Sheri wanted me to show you this. And look, it's me. Can you believe it? It's me. Like, look, even the glasses. She even did the glasses. She made my telephone, and it's gray, just like my phone. And look, she even has my nail file, and she made this dress here out of a scrap of denim cuff. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, Sheri's gonna show you all of the Barbies of her characters. It's coming up, and then she's gonna explain it all to you, how she made everything out of stuff she already had around the house. So let's get on with this trowel, because it's one that's really weird. Okay, so this was actually from YouTube, and we'll link the video down below to what this was on. It was on the video with Sheri Sharon, her mend for mending torn belt loops on your jeans, yeah? Okay, so this person is totally anonymous. They don't have a profile picture. They don't have an actual name. It's PMD 4800. So let's call him P, yeah? Okay, so P says, dying because nothing you are doing is eco-friendly. We could start with the lights. Okay, so just to clear up any confusion about what this is referring to, here's a short clip from the beginning of that video.
Now, you'll have to pardon the lighting again today. It is another rainy, gray, moody, dark day. So I've had to kind of set up, all of my lights and everything, and I haven't quite got the hang of it yet. But we'll get there. I've been studying up.
All right, so I'm guessing that this person was thinking that maybe Sheri was using, I don't know, big studio lights like in the movies, but of course she wasn't. That doesn't even make any sense. So here's a little tour of what she was talking about, and it's pretty funny once you see it. All right, we're going to do a little bit of a tour here, and so I'm sorry to Sheri. She didn't have time to tidy up or anything, but here's her little desk area. This is where she works. This is in her little tiny basement, and so she was standing here for the video, and this is before that she figured out to do her holly hello thing upstairs in the living room. Anyway, so you can see there's a window there, and there's a window there. And that's it for natural light down here. So if it was dark, she had to turn that light on and that light on over here. And there we go. So she turned those lights on. That's the lights she was talking about in the video. So I don't know what this person's problem is. And also the bulbs in here, like FYI, they're Eco-Star bulbs. So they're like the most eco-friendly light bulbs that you can use. But Just another FYI, this is where Sheri shoots her videos. Like you can see here, here's a big mess of fabrics and stuff here. But she puts her phone in here, and you see, then she shoots the video there. So she doesn't have anything high tech. This is like held together with zip ties and stuff here. So she does everything, as eco and low budget as she possibly can. All right, so I'm wondering, PMD 4800, why it is that you felt the need to put this comment, because it doesn't even make sense. You say that nothing you are doing is eco-friendly. Are you kidding me? For like over a decade, Sheri has been sharing nothing but eco-friendly articles and tutorials and DIYs and thrifty style inspiration over on her blog. Like, she's got over 1,600 posts over there, and most of them are upcycling tutorials and, thrifty, let's reuse everything. So what the heck are you talking about? I have no idea what that even means. Also on her channel, She just reached over 500 videos, and most of those are all about upcycling and refashioning as well. So what's going on in this person's mind that they think, first of all, it's okay to go anonymously write this kind of stuff. Also, you got nothing on your channel. So until you are filming and creating and publishing videos, I don't think you really can have that big of an opinion about what is eco-friendly and what isn't. And that's really frustrating, you know, to get these kind of comments all the time that are like, oh, that's not eco-friendly. Well, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sheri's one person, and look at what she's achieved. You know what I mean? She's teaching whoever wants to learn how to reuse and upcycle things, which I personally think is pretty darn eco-friendly. If you don't, explain yourself. You know, it's pretty easy. Explain yourself. Right. Anyway, I don't know what more I have to say about that, but like I said, you can go and check out that video and learn how you can mend torn belt loops, right? And then you can wear your favorite jeans again. And like I said as well, Sheri will be sharing this. Oh, I think Chantal's come a little bit. Sorry about that. That happens sometimes, you know, when you're trying to do different voices and you got different characters. Things come out that shouldn't come out. But anyways, like I was saying, Sheri's going to share all of her character Barbies and how they came about pretty soon. She's just got one more to do, I think. But until next time, stay safe, stay well, and she will catch you on the zigzag. Right, okay, now I'm going... Hi. Yeah, I'm back. And I'm Chantal again, apparently.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.